How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we've got another building and pricing cars I can't afford video. So if you're new to the channel, definitely be sure to subscribe. But pretty much what these type of videos are, I, a college kid, go through a bunch of different like sports cars or car enthusiast cars that I obviously can't afford. And pretty much what I do is I just go on the websites, do like the whole like building and pricing, and pretty much showing you guys how I would make those cars if I were to actually get one myself. So today, as you guys can see, we're actually doing the 2021 Nissan Gt-R. Now right off the bat, this is a car that I love, but I'm definitely going to be ripping on it a lot, simply for the fact that all these R35s, like you can find an older R35 now used for like 60, even in some cases like high 50s, like $1,000. So the fact that the starting MSRP is over $100,000 to begin with is pretty crazy. I mean, I know they did do a lot of new updates with these newer GTRs compared to the older R35s when they first came out with them. But yeah, we'll kind of just take a look at it right now and see if it's worth the money. Alright, so we are going to do the regular GTR. We're not going to do the GTR Nismo because I already looked on it before actually starting this video, and literally the only customizable option for the Nismo GTR is literally just the exterior paint color. That's pretty much it. You get one set interior, you get the choice between the different accessories, and then Nissan kind of just puts you right into the price summary. Now honestly, I don't know how much more is going to be customizable with this regular GTR. I have a feeling this is going to be a shorter video for sure. But still, I'd rather do something that might be a little bit less expensive, but kind of gives you more customizable options just for the video's sake. So now, as you guys can see, we are on the exterior, and you get 5 different options for the exterior paint. Now, I'm actually going to go ahead and choose the Bayside Blue, because that's actually a color that I'm pretty sure we've all seen on like R32s to R34 Nissan Skylines. But I honestly haven't really seen an R35 in this Bayside Blue. Now that being said, it does look really awesome, and honestly, if I were to get one of these in real life, I'd be tossed up between this color and the white. But honestly, I'm gonna go for the white simply because I just really like how white looks on this car, and with the black wheels, the black accents all the way around, it's a very nice contrast. So now moving on to the interior. So the first thing we can change is the actual color of the interior. So right now it's already black leather with suede inserts. So now this probably looks insane. I'm not going to keep it like this, but if we go to the red leather, actually that's not really that out there. It's more of kind of like a darkish brown leather. That actually looks, I feel like at first I thought this would kind of look better, this Rakuda tan leather. But honestly, the red leather does look a decent amount better. This gray is also pretty cool. Now, I don't really know the difference between the Kuro Night and the just plain black. I feel like the black, yeah, the black's a little bit darker. Honestly, I don't really care. I'm actually going to go and select the red leather again and just take a look at it. So yeah, after about staring at it for about a couple minutes now, and just thinking about it, I actually think I'm going to go for the red amber leather option for the interior. I just think it looks really good. To me, like on the screen right now, it looks more like a darker brown than a red necessarily. But out of all the options, I feel like this one honestly looks the best. Now for floor mats, you actually have a choice between a carbon fiber floor mats and just regular carpeted floor mats. And I'm actually going to go ahead and add the carbon fiber floor mats just because I did just do a review on that Porsche GT2 RS that had carbon fiber floor mats, and that was the first time I actually saw that in person, so I thought that was pretty cool. So again, for the video's sake, I guess I'll just add that. So now moving on to the packages, it already has the premium interior package selected, probably because the red leather that I choose. And you can also get this all-weather package, which I'm pretty sure, yeah, for the most part, it just really changes the tires that's actually on the car. I don't know if it comes with better performance tires to begin with, and this just kind of puts all season tires on there, so I'm kind of not really going to select it for now. Just going to leave that how it is. Now moving on to the accessories. Overall, the accessories are nothing special. You have some valve stem caps, wheel locks, toolkits, nothing really that really pops up and gets my attention. And a lot of this stuff is overpriced anyway, just because manufacturers like to rob people. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now moving on to the summary. This is going to be the total MSRP of the car, how it's set up right now. Now yes, it is a 2021 GTR, and it does have that better interior. It does have a lot more carbon fiber. It's not a like glorified Nissan Altima, which some of the older R35s seem when you're inside the interior. But honestly, again, I'm gonna kind of rip on this right now, because right now you can actually get an older R35 used for literally high 50,000 US dollars to like high 60,000 US dollars, right around that range. Now yes, it completely depends upon the car, and the higher mileage and the more beat up it is, the lower the cost is going to be. So that's obviously a huge X factor to kind of like weigh in when purchasing one of these cars. In my own personal opinion, someone who definitely feels as though getting a used car is kind of better than just getting a brand new car, I definitely 100% feel like getting a older R35 that's just been slightly used, like get one in good condition. I feel like that's such a better bang for your buck than spending $120,000 for a brand new GTR. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I ended with the price of $121,700. The starting MSRP, if you were to get none of the add-ons that I got, I think the paint color and the interior, I might have added something. But if you were to get nothing, it starts out at $118,000. So I definitely feel like it's definitely overpriced, even though it's not a like new generation, even though it's not like an R36. I feel as though a 2021 R35 GTR is a lot different from a GTR from like 09 or 2010. So that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's a pretty short video. Unfortunately, not a lot of stuff to customize on these cars. Even though I love GTRs, I actually have my GTR shirt on right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know down in the comments below if you were to get one of these new GTRs, how you would configure it. And like always, guys, thank you for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.